Hi, Professor. This video is demonstrates the program in Lab6, which includes the risk factor identification, transportation, and the game development. I choose a red alert and hardware programming for the light controller for an EMX vehicle. Let's start from the first one, risk factor identification, and I will share the screen. So this is my code here. I actually download the CSV file in here. So this is the CSV file for the first program, and I make a list. I make a list here to record all the columns data in this CSV file, and then I print. The first thing I did is to set up the coefficient, and then to print out the coefficient. Then for the risk, I have identified as long as the data is less than 5/2, I identify as a low risk. If is higher than 3/4, I identify as a high risk. The rest will be medium risk, and then I will print out all the risk prediction, and then to store into a file in the name with the name Lab6 risk. So which is here, the Lab6. I will show after running the program. So let me just start run it. Okay, so on the right down corner here, this for the first thing over here. So this 10, 2, 4, 6, this 7 are the coefficient, and print in the first for loop, and then all the number here is all the data I read of the program reads from all this column, and then to print out to select and to identify and select and choice which are the high risk and low risk and the medium risk. So the program with the LGD file, and then to make a prediction of a high risk, medium risk, and a low risk. And then so there are total 10 rows and 9 columns generate from this program. And let's check the Lab6 risk. Okay. Yeah, there is. So it basically read all the. So this is the original one, and this is the risk factor identification generated from the programming. So for the recover LTV, recover LDG time, Y logistics, and everything, then the program did identify the risk level of all the data. So it could be set right here, as long as I no matter the percentage or the use of the programmer to define as a high risk or low risk or medium risk, and then that is the program. So again, seems a couple of CSV files in this folder. So this one LGD as the original file to set to be read in the program, and then identify the risk level. And the Lab6 risk is the output of the programming. And then so I will demonstrate about the rest of the CSV file in the part 2. So yes, that's it. I see you in next program.